Hello everyone, I am Sai Kiran. Me and along with Vignesh worked on this project. This project is about online grocery store where the users are able to order groceries online and get them delivered home directly. Problem statement. With this pandemic hitting the world a year ago, it has been very difficult for all the people to get their daily grocery needs. As the lockdown imposed strictly all over the world, people started piling up things in huge quantities and resulting in out of stock boards in all the stores. It has been very difficult even to get the very basic daily needs such as milk, bread, etc. Additionally, there is a risk of getting infected when we go out to the store, and with all the restrictions such as social distancing and mask mandatory, it's a really hectic job for the people to get their needs. So, to solve this problem, we thought of developing a mobile application through which a user can order the groceries online and get them delivered home. So, can this be solved by a mobile application? Yes, we live in a time where most of the people have an internet connected mobile device with them. So, to solve this problem, we are proposing a system where user can log in from home, select the groceries, and order them. The items can be delivered to their home. By this, we can alter the situation of people worrying about their grocery needs, and they are also protected from the virus. And we can help to contain the spread of the virus. We propose to build a simple and easy mobile application for ordering groceries online, which focus on how customers are able to order groceries from their home. Proposed system. The application requires new users to register themselves first to log in into the system, and already existing customers can log in directly. It covers most of the basic functionality where user can log in, view the items, their description and price. Upon selecting the items, the user can order all the required groceries. Once the order is placed, he can view the order by clicking the My Orders button. Once the order is placed, the groceries will be shipped to the user's address. Users and stakeholders. The users and stakeholders for this application will be the customers of grocery stores, as it will allow them to order and get the required groceries delivered home. Scope. The purpose of this application is to simplify the grocery shopping of the user with a mobile application. The registered users can be able to log in into the system, view all the groceries available, and can be able to order the required groceries. Once they place the order of the groceries will be delivered home by the admin team of the application. The available items of a grocery store is provided in the code itself. When the application runs for the first time, the items will get stored in the device's internal storage and made available to the user for shopping. Here we can add the items to the cart and submit the order at the later point of time. Once the items placed in the cart, the user can be able to edit the cart items. He can adjust the number of quantities ordered, and he can delete the items if he wants to. He can view all the orders placed by clicking the My Orders button. The user can be able to edit the personal information such as address, name, and phone number, etc. by clicking the Edit Personal Info button. Conclusion. It helps the users in hassle-free grocery shopping right from his home, protecting him and his family from getting infected. Now we will see some functionality of the application.
Hello everyone, this is Vignesh. So I'm going to explain the functionality of the application. So once we execute the program, so this is the front end page which the application opens. So as I'm a new user to the application, so I'm going to click the new user button and I will register my details in the application. So here I'm going to give the full name Vignesh. Let me select username as also the Vignesh and I'm giving the password. I'm going to give the 10-digit mobile number. And entering the address over here. So after entering the complete details, when I click the register, it will navigate to the front end page where we need to input the register details and log in into the application. So I'm just giving the correct details of my what I have registered. So once the details are verified, so login successful message will be displayed and it will be entered into the home page of the application. So here we have different options in the application, like where we can order the groceries after adding all items into the cart. So we can go to the cart and we can check out the cart. Here we can view the orders which we have placed previously, and here we can update some personal details. So first of all, I am going to update some personal details. So what are the details I have entered in the register page, those are going to be populated over here. So I just want to update my password. So on clicking update, so the details will be saved. And now I'm going to order some of the groceries from the store. So here we have some of the groceries. So let me pick some of the items from these available items. So I need chicken. Let me order. We need to give some of the quantities, how much we want. So I'm giving 2 and adding this item to the cart. Now like this we can add the quantities and add the items to the cart. So once everything which we want are added into the cart, so I'm going to the home, and in my cart all the items which has been added are shown up here. So even if you want at the last minute, if you want to delete some items or if you want to update the quantities of items, so we can do that. So now chicken, I just want to make it 1 instead of 2, and when I click on update, it will be updated. So you can see here like item quantity is 1. Now I want to delete these potatoes. So you can see that there are only 2 items in the cart. Once I click the submit order, so that will be sent to the admin team and they will ship the order to they will deliver the order to your home. So it will be like a pay once delivery is done, like cash on delivery. So now I'm clicking the submit order. So you can see like a toast message order has been placed successfully. So if you click the my orders button, so you can see like the orders which has been placed previously. So these are the orders which I have placed previously. So if I click logout, then it will navigate back to the front end page. This is the end of the application. Thank you.